Hi everyone, this is Sandy Crane the Heart, and I am back with a haul. And so I have been really busy this summer, going on little mini vacations, cleaning up my house. And so the craft room really got neglected and it got kind of trashed because I painted. So the craft room became the place where I stored stuff. So, and then I bought stuff and I hadn't been crafting very much. So it got out of hand. So I've been spending the last couple of days cleaning up, and it's really still a disaster. I don't know how much of a dent I really made, but I bought a lot of stuff, so I'm going to go through what I bought so I can put it away and hopefully clean up my craft room. So I've got quite a few hauls. They'll be here and there, but let me go ahead and get started. So Jaded Blossom, they had a 40% off their clear stamps, and I believe, I want to say it's 20% off of stencils and dies, but everything's like kind of mixed up in here. But anyway, let me go over what I got. And then they had a thing where I guess they're giving away their next month's release. So for every $25 you spend, you get a ticket in the drawing, and then if you spend $75, you get free shipping. So I spent $75. I think this is everything. Okay, so let's do the stencils. So I got the grass stencil, and I like this one because I like that you can give your grass some other sort of texture, kind of like that. Or if you like do a hill, you could just do his little grassy things. So I like that idea. They also give you the negative, which is fun. And then the coffee stain stencil, which I like as well. I don't think I've got a coffee stain stencil, so I kind of wanted to get that. And then here are what I got. So I got this one, which is Gnome Kisses. So got that one. I thought this one would be fun for, even though my kids are teenagers, I think, you know, I have them do thank you cards for their birthdays and Christmas. So I thought I would just stamp this inside. I thought it'd be cute and fun and easy for them because they kind of suck at thank you cards, writing them anyway. And then I don't have really a stamp like this one. This one's called Speedy Recovery. So I thought that would be a good one. I like the fonts on this as well. And of course, my love of bees. I have lots of bee things, so I do like picking up sentiments that go with them. And again, I really like the fonts on these. And these smaller ones are really fun. This is really good for a front and inside type sentiment. It's called Love and Laughter. And then these ones are, I think they're normally like $7.95 or something like that. And then 40% off makes them really, really reasonable, these little ones. And then here's this one. Same thing. I think these make really good inside sentiments. And then Village Mushroom House. Since I have a lot of gnomes, I have a few fairies, but mostly gnomes. This is a nice size gnome house. And I think the gnomes I've got are bigger than that, but it's a good inside sentiment. And then this pumpkin faces. But also you get these non-pumpkin faces, which I thought were really cute. All different sizes. So there's that. And I can put that away. And then my creative time. So of course what I discovered is I ordered something that I already have. So I put it in a destash box that I have going on. So I'll be doing a destash at some point. Not a very big one. So this one is a belly band die. So it's a belly band die, and then you've got what you'd put on the front of the belly band, I guess, you know. So all these different ones. And they layer. So this layer's on there, this layer's on that. So this would also be good for other things as well. You know, so anyway, there's that one, my creative time. And then this is, I believe these all layer together, hopefully, I think. I don't know, maybe. So, but they're tag dies. So that's that. And then this is a rainbow because rainbows are so totally in. And I think they can mix and match with other rainbow stuff I have, but I like the dies that go with it. So that's my creative time. And then, like, the most favorite thing that I think I picked up is this. This is from the Greening Farm, and I did a pre-order on this. I don't know if they've sold out or if I still have this. This is called Miss Anya All Year, and it's a clear set. Normally they do these, and they're usually red rubber. So I love that this one is clear, and I love the size of these girls. They're really great for the front of cards. And this is an amazing deal because I think the pre-order was $39.95 plus tax, but I think the normal price is $50, which I still think is an amazing price because normally these clear girls go for $8.95 a piece. And they have some sentiments. They have little pets. They're really cute. So the idea, I think, is they're supposed to be sort of a year-round type thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you get 10 girls. So this one is definitely a Halloween. This one I think is like a back to school. And this is maybe a Valentine's Day. This is like a 4th of July. And this one could be Christmas or winter. And then you've got some sort of general ones that you can see that look either summer maybe, and then you've got some like sort of spring. Really cute. I love this. I think it's a really, really great bargain. So that was I think one of my favorite things that I've gotten recently. And then Lawn Fawn. So I don't normally buy from Lawn Fawn's website. I do occasionally. I usually buy their mystery boxes because they're amazing. And every year, if you sign up for an account and you put in your birthday during your birthday month, they will send you, you know, a link or information to remind you that you can go on there and you can get a free stamp set and die and sentiment and 10% off your order. So they also had, because they had a new release, if you spend $60, you also got a free stamp set. So I just kind of doubled up on my stamp set freebies. So I got this one, which is kind of pricey, but I've seen it used so many different ways. So I think, you know, I think this will be really great to go with other stamp sets that I have. Right, I really like that one. It's called a Forest Backdrop. I've seen lots of different ways to use that one. And then I also got the S'mores one. Got quite a few S'mores stamp sets. I got the dies. And then they also like give you, they have everything like in a cute little twine, and then they give you a couple sheets of paper, but the paper I think I put away. But these are all the freebies that I got with this order. So for spending the $60, this was the free stamp set. Let's see. It's called Gorific Friend. Really cute. It's a cute little lion. And then the birthday freebie is this called Party Unicorn. So you got the stamp set and the die. And then the sentiment comes wrapped up separately. It says, Happy Birthday, Cindy. Have a magical day. So the sentiment that they give you normally goes with the stamp set. So that was fun, and it worked out that I was able to also double up and get the other freebie, which, you know, I was excited to get. So let's just get this all situated. And then the last thing I'm going to share in this particular, sorry, I'm just trying to get this stuff organized. In this particular haul is from Simple Stories. So I saw on somebody else's channel, and of course it's been so long, I can't even remember whose channel I saw this from. Oh, wait. Before I get to that, I forgot two other things that I got from my creative time. They're hidden in there. I got this bunch of bows. They're flat bows, different sizes. And then I got this, it's like a plants die, which I thought was very cute. So, sorry about that. Okay, back to Simple Stories. So they had a lot of clearance stuff, but I didn't buy as much. I didn't buy as much. Because I have tons and tons of paper, but the prices were really, really, really good. So I got the Simple Stories Little Princess, and then I got the stickers. I don't know if they came in a bundle or not, but I got the stickers. And then I got this 6x8 Sunshine and Blue Skies. I did buy the Carpe Diem washi. This is Simple Vintage Travel. And I got this one, which is Happy Haunting. I don't really buy tons of Halloween paper. I don't do lots of Halloween crafting, but I love this one because it's very girly. It's very feminine for a Halloween paper. It's got these plaids and these flowers. Interspersed with some more traditional Halloween, but it's very non-traditional to me, so I really like it. It's very feminine, so that's why I got that one. And then this is a wedding one. This came in a bundle. It was very, very reasonable. Like, how do I open this? Okay, it's very reasonable. I think it was super cheap, actually, so that's why I got. Sorry for any rustling. Okay, and I want to say that the paper, I don't know if this is all wedding or so you can see it's Always and Forever. I didn't know if it was all wedding or also kissing booth in here, because I also have like kissing booth things in here, but you get two. Wow. So I got all these cut aparts, and it's very wedding, you know, it's really pretty. It's got some, you know, so anyway, I really like it. Yeah, I think it's all Always and Forever for the paper. So there's the paper. So pretty nice paper. And then I also got with it, came in this pack, is the snap cards. So it's wedding snap cards. And then the Always and Forever stickers, kissing booth stickers, kissing booth puffy stickers, Always and Forever clear stickers, and then the kissing booth washi, which I really, really liked, the kissing booth washi, which I thought was really pretty. So that's what I got from Simple Stories, and that is one of my hauls. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Creating the Heart.